Beta, now in this video we will study about the exchange of gases in the air sacs. We know that the exchange of gases take place in the air sacs, which are also known as the alveoli. The inhaled air reaches the air sacs, which are surrounded by thin capillaries containing blood. An exchange of gas take place between the blood and air sacs. Blood take in oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide, which is expelled during the exhalation. Oxygen carrying blood then circulate the oxygen to all body cells. Oxygen in the blood is taken by the special red pigment called the hemoglobin, which is present in the red blood cells in the blood. So here you can see the air sacs have the rich supply of the blood vessels from where exchange of gases actually take place. Next beta, overview of respiratory process. So you know that first is the breathing. It involves inhalation and exhalation, in which air moves into the lungs during inhalation and during exhalation air moves out from the lungs. Second, transport of gases by the blood. So after breathing, what happened? It includes transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen and carbon dioxide both are transported by blood. Oxygen is transported from lungs to tissue and carbon dioxide transported from tissue to lungs. So this is the opposite reaction. Here you can see. First is the inhalation and exhalation, then breathing. Exchange of gases means from lungs oxygenated blood come to the heart or different body organs, and deoxygenated or carbon dioxide rich blood comes towards the lungs. Third is the beta exchange of gases. In the lungs, oxygen diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide diffuses out from the blood into the lungs, and this happens in the air sacs or the alveoli. In the body, oxygen from the blood diffuses into the cell and carbon dioxide diffuses out from the cell into the blood. Next is the cellular respiration. The gases we breathe in, oxygen we need for actually respiration. So in this, it is also called oxidation of food. It involves breaking down of food to release energy, which is utilized for various processes which take place inside the cells. So you have to learn this overview. Means first is the breathing, second transport of gases by the blood, third exchange of gases, and fourth is the cellular respiration. So beta, now come to the some of the disease which are called the respiratory disease. First is the bronchitis. What is bronchitis? It can be due to viral infection or exposure to chemical and pollutants, and it leads to the inflammation of the bronchi. There is oversecretion in the lining of bronchi, which lead to the frequent coughing. So whenever your lungs get affected, you start coughing. There may be heavy or sometimes greenish discharge from the cough. So how we can prevent this? So we should avoid exposure to the pollutant and treating the infection with the antibiotics. Second is the second respiratory disease is asthma. It is due to the hypersensitivity of bronchioles in the lungs due to allergy to some chemicals or pollutants, especially when we come in the contact with the pollutants in the air. The person feels difficulty in breathing, especially during exhalation. There may be constant coughing and spasms in the bronchioles. It can be prevented by avoiding the dust, pollen, smoke and other allergic substances, because asthma is mostly the allergic disease. It can be treated by taking antibiotics as recommended by the doctor. Third one is the beta pneumonia, which is also very common respiratory disease. It can be due to bacterial or viral infection. The fluid get accumulated in the air sacs and person had difficulty in breathing. The person may have heavy and persistent cough with a fever. And how we can prevent it? By taking the precautions such as avoiding exposure to cold. The infection can be cured by the use of antibiotics. So mostly we get pneumonia during the cold season. But if you are having the corona beta, that time also it can affect your lungs and cause the pneumonia. So you have to go through this mind map also. Different things, different mind maps are given. You have to go through, learn the key terms also. And all the exercise already sent to you in the PDF form, so you have to learn it.